kwiragwo kwaria ciugo nyingi gutumaga mundu ahetie no mundu muge yamenyagirira miario yake tukimurika maria mekikire miaka ya hau kabere muthenya tawo umuthi mwaka-ini wa 1992 nirio muthutukanio wa andu waninirwo kuria bururi-ini wa South Africa ngakihoka wi thayo haria hothe uri ndakunyita ugeni thiini wa mohoro gitau ngetwo Mumbi wa Wanyoike mwathiriri na njira ya cikwetagwo mwihaki wa Kimathi na tukiambiriria mohoro maitu kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka IEBC nekinyirie mbere ya kamiti ya bunge igie watho wa kuheana woni utiganite wigie rendekithia ria gutabania mogaruruku mage gatiba kugerera BBI hamwe na maria meyumiririe ni uhoro wigie kuongererwo kwa icigo bunge itanyihiire 28 IEBC ekiuga uyu ni undu uratwarithio hatari kurumirira gatiba iria irikuo ihinda-ini riri ikundi ingi ni cikinyitie guku na ni cirathie na mbere na kuheana woni wao reke riu tuthikiririe
without regarding the actual official boundaries. This is the dilemma, and that is why we need the shape files to actually finalize on this. It is a volume that we ought to have released in the year 2000 at the beginning, because we had prepared it by December 2019. So that is the key thing that is actually giving us a problem with the finalization of the volume. I hope up to that point, then it should be clear, because.
And Chair, it is very simple for Chair to just direct IEBC, give them the shape files. They will not accept the function. They cannot.
No, Chair. A point of order, Chair. A point of order, Chair.
Do their work. It's very simple.
Chair, a point of order.
Honorable Sakaja. Yes, Kaluma.
Yeah, Chair. Honorable Sakaja cannot keep intervening and directing the Chair in terms of what to do. I think it is only right that on matters where members of the committee are disagreed, like what he's talking about, we can listen to witnesses, we resolve them inside. Like me, I don't agree that IEBC owes this body anything.
Yeah, in fact, our mandate today is restricted. Honorable Sakaja, yeah, it's a good suggestion, but our mandate today, you know, is limited on the IEBC, the Constitution Amendment Bill. So we can have another date to discuss the other problems, but for today, we just yeah. So can we then? Can you allow us to make some?
It is enough. We can follow it up on our own.
Thank you. So DG, you can proceed.
Thank you, Chair. There was the issue of any law to do the validation. I think I responded to this, including if we ever submitted if we made any memorandum and submitted as a Bureau of Statistics, we did not do that. But as I've explained, the paper was simply to help us do the discussion here, not for any submission. Then there is also the issue of figures having been manipulated.
DG, just restate that. It's an important point.
Okay.
Did you submit anything or engage with the BBI team?
Through the Chair, we did not engage.
Wajuja kaunti-ini ya Kiambu